Okay, today we are going to talk about Titan company. Titan company is the fundamentally very strong company because is a good history with the Titan company. But today we are going to focus only in the technical analysis. Okay, with the chart. Okay, let's go. This is the daily chart. Okay, this is the one of the good trend line here. The forming because two touches. So they're forming the trend line one. After intermediate, so forming a two touches again. So this is the formation of the another trend line. Okay, did you got my point? And this is the good resistance on daily resistance. We need to draw the resistance and supports in the line chart. So I have to go to the line chart. Okay, you can see this. This is the near of the current market, the previous good resistance here, and the next resistance I need to draw. Okay, this is the first resistance, and after this is another good resistance also, because this is the previous, it's a good resistance play here. Okay, and the second resistance also the nearly the current market, and this is the good another resistance. Okay, right. And next resistance is also this is the, because here's the one off here and one off here. Okay, it's a very good one more resistance. Okay, this is the good resistance, and this is the fourth resistance, but we enough only. We also drawn 1 2 3 4, but 4 is enough, and 5 also we can draw here. Okay, but we need to check after. So sometimes we need that the fixed resistance also we can draw. Okay, but this time is will be enough only for resistance, and we need to draw the support also. The current market, here is the good resistance on previous history. Okay, did you got my point? Okay. Right. Next we are going to talk about old pattern formations. Right. What do you think about this? Is the good resistance, two times played here, and this is the good trend line also. So this is the formation of ascending triangle. Okay, this is a forming. Okay, this is a forming of, because two touches here and bottom also two touches. This outside triangle is the good ascending triangle. Normally ascending triangle have a chance to break in upper side. Okay, the horizontal side is normally have a chance to break the market. Okay, so you need to wait for the current market movement. Okay, after I think sometimes again come here, wait, after market going down, after have a breakout. Okay, after we need to check how can this market play. You can confirm this entry with the handle close above this level. Okay, so we need to first take this thing, entry close above nearly 1050. So back, Okay, right, entry close above 1050. Why? This is the good supply zone, so this market is need to close above this supply zone. After this candle close here, and after you can go for the entry, but you are aggressive trader, you can entry here, and after we need to check these targets. Okay, and after this resistance level, can this first target after this resistance level, so we need to check that what about, and after we can confirm with the Fibonacci also. Okay, 10 base Fibonacci extension we need to use for the confirmation. Wait, okay, I need to tell something. After I will told how to use this Fibonacci extension. After this breakout, you are aggressive trader, you can go for the entry. Sometimes you as a conservative trader, you need to wait for the market confirmation. Okay, this is the entry. So this market is again go up, after again retest, after you can go for the entry. It's a good entry after a long go up. Okay, this is the normally is the conservative trader normally played like this market. We have to check with this. This is the extension, Fibonacci extension. How to use Fibonacci extension? This is the first point. Okay, after this is the second point. Touch here is resistance. After you can go for the just a correction level. Okay, this is the first swing. So I need to go to the first low swing. I have to check here because market have a chance. Because yeah, okay, because this is the good resistance here, so this is the normally drawing this. You can check this. What about this is the resistance. Okay, you don't mention that thing. After you can check this. What about this? This is the first target. After there is the second target. Second target is 1. Fibonacci 1 is also in the good resistance, so market can reach this target very well. And this is the another target 1.618. so this is the another good target, so market can play like this Fibonacci also. So you can, this is a good entry for this upper side. Sometimes market can play in the downside. Okay, because this is the trend line. So first time, second time. So again this is break this trend line from downside, after again reach this, after again break here, and after again like this also market play. So we need to check market have a chance to going down here. Okay, how can we identify that? So, and we need to put this target also. This is the target 1. Okay, target 01 nearly. Okay, target 1, and again target 2. Okay, but this is the long time target because it's a daily chart, so have a needed nearly 2-3 months need to achieve this target. Okay, but this target is also reaching 2 weeks like this. Okay, so don't worry, sometimes market can break from downside. Again I need to I think market have a chance to break here also. You need to confirm here where the entry. If the entries have a chance, the lot of area have a chance to entry, because market normally can play here, otherwise market going here also. But I also get it randomly. Okay. Entry for sell close below trend line 1. Okay. And I also delete this, and again I need to use for the downside weight. Okay, entry for sell. I had to use this Fibonacci extension also. This is the first point. It's the second point, because this is the last the big swing. After this, the retest here. Again, we need to check that target also. Okay. What do you think? Oh, this is the target 0.5, nearly 736.78. Okay. So this is the target also. So the target is 750. Okay, but Fibonacci also need to going some down, but I think the 750 is a good target. So again I mark this line. Okay. Right. Good. So in our channel normally talking like this entries and what about the target only with a chart technical analysis. Okay. Subscribe this channel like this more technical analysis. Sometimes you need more any other chart scripts, please to comment below, and after we will analyze the chart like this. Okay, thank you, and subscribe this channel. Thank you.